Hey guys, today we are making some cocktails. We've got some little shots here, and we've got our little cocktail maker, but it's a little different kind of cocktail, a little bit different type of feel good, if you know what I mean. We're gonna have a balsamic vinaigrette made of bourbon, balsamic vinegar, and blood orange olive oil. We also add some of our garlic olive oil, our signature seasoning, and of course, with most vinaigrettes, you want a good Dijon mustard. So we're gonna use our Grey Poupon today. And we're gonna show you real quick how we do this. Just have our little cocktail maker. Inside the cocktail maker, I put a little protein shaker ball in there. And we're just gonna add our different little shots here. So we've got our blood orange, we've got 3 tablespoons of that. We're gonna add our bourbon, look at the color on that, just beautiful. We're gonna add that to it, and then we're gonna add our garlic olive oil. This also makes a great marinade, so you can also use it for that. We're gonna add our Dijon mustard here, so just a teaspoon of Dijon. And then, of course, our Sinful signature seasoning, we're gonna add that to it. And all you do, put your lid on, make it like your cocktail. You shake it up, baby. So real quick, easy salad dressing, absolutely delicious. Like I said, you can marinate your proteins with it, so great for the grilling. But anyways, we got our salad here. We're just gonna dump it on, and we're gonna have a nice little salad for dinner tonight. So take that, enjoy. It's absolutely gorgeous and delicious. Give us a try.